What is the first, Aloysius? Tell me the first condition to solve this. No, not cross method. Wrong. What's the first condition? Wrong. Special product, not yet. Something about kosong. What must be correct? Can you write down? The right hand side must be equal to 0. What is the second condition to check? This must be what? Product. Is this product yet? No. Then the F word must come in, right? Factorize. Is that okay? So you must always factorize. Factorize, not necessary. I must use the cross method. No need. I look at 3x squared and 15x. Is there a number I can take out? 3. Is there an alphabet I can take out? X. Can you try and help me? If I take 3x here, what is left in this bracket? Does the rest of you agree is x minus 5? Do I have the two brackets already? Am I okay to... not necessary must use, but one of the example maybe must use. Understand? Right, let's continue here. How do I continue here, Hadi? What must I write? What must I write? Either 3x equals to 0 or x minus 5 equals to 0. Can understand? So I can write something like this. So what is the answer? X equals to what? 0 or then you only get either of the marks. Yes, you must write both. Jolie? Alright. Some of you ask, teacher, must it always I write both? The answer is yes. Because whenever I have a square, it means that I may have two answers. Now, what does the two answer means? Very simple. If I substitute 0 back into here, will I get 0? Awkward silence and a sneeze. Do I get 0 if I put 0 back into the equation? Answer is yes. Do you know what I mean? Like I substitute 0 inside. 3 times 0, 0. Minus 15 times 0, 0. 0 minus 0 is 0. If I put 5 inside, do I get back 0? You try a calculator, you will also get back 0. Therefore, both are the answers. Can understand? Okay, let's try B. Hey, what is the first step? Right hand side 0. How do I do it? So, can everyone write the same as me? X plus 3 minus 3 equals to 0. Question. Can you draw, is this a product? Answer is N O. Do you know why? Why do I kick the minus? Why do I kick the 3 to the other side? Because in order to tell me something equals 0, something equals 0, the right hand side must be 0. So I got to move the 3 over to the other side. Next, is this already in the product? Answer is no. Why? There's a what? There's a minus 3 here. There is a minus 3 here. Huh? Yeah, I haven't added anything yet. So you see that over here there is like two things. So what should you do? Very simple. You just expand this. Can you try out? X times x will give you what? X squared. Utley, x times 2 will give you what? 2x. Minus 3 equals to 0. Right, I'm almost there. I have my right hand side equals to 0. How do I factorize this? Use the cross method. Can you try now and tell me what are inside the two brackets? Got the answer? Do you have x plus 3, x minus 1? Therefore, what is the answer? Orlando? X plus 3 equals to 0 or x minus 1 equals to 0. What is the answer? Everyone okay? Right. Can I show you a wrong answer? Because you want to get plus 2x. So must be 3 minus 1. Must be 3 minus 1 to get 2. Later I come over. Right. Can I address Nabila first question? Nabila asked a very good question just now. Can I address it to you? Nabila asked, teacher, must the right hand side be 0? Can it be 3? Do you think I can solve with 3? The answer is no. Can I show you one example? Let's say I have P times Q is equals to 3. Question, do you feel that P must be equals to 3? Do you feel that Q must be equals to 3? Or can you give me one example where both numbers are not 3 and yet the product is 3? Can you give me one example? Okay, so Taishin say, teacher, 1 times 3 will give you 3, right? If what Taishin say is correct, that means Q must be 3. Am I correct? But can you give me one example? I have two brackets, and inside the two brackets, both are not 3. Very good. 2 and 1.5. Do you see that? Let me ask you again. If I give you this as 6, can you predict one number here I multiply together to give you 3? Half. Do you see half? Six times half will give you what? 3, right? So what does this mean? If this number is not 0, must these two numbers be equal to 3? No. Understand the example? If don't understand the example, never mind. You must remember the right hand side must be 0 first before you can do the either this is 0 or that is 0. Can follow? Let's try question C.